Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Soul key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is surprisingly easy to do yourself. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot along the side of the fob's casing. This is where you'll begin. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. Apply a slight twisting motion or gentle leverage to carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. It should separate with a soft click. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the positive, or plus, side is facing. This is usually indicated by a plus symbol. Now, use your screwdriver or a fingernail to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Once it's out, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the holder, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them firmly until you hear a distinct click, confirming that the fob is securely closed. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly by locking and unlocking your car. If everything functions as expected, you've successfully replaced your Kia Soul key fob battery. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.